The Starrett Company was founded by Roy Starrett in 1880. They make many tools at the Starrett Company, and they are most famous for the combination square. This is the meat hasher, which was created in the 1860s and was his very first tool he created. They have operations all around the world. Some of them are Asia, Brazil, UK, and South Africa. They are also very eco-friendly. All water is reused. And here is the giant micrometer, and 43% of their manufacturing is saws. Here they are testing the strength of copper wire. They use this machine to test many different strengths of different materials. They also made an engine for NASCAR to use in their races.